Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I run into a weird issues in my image3 show files. Suddenly I couldn't select any feature in my layout view. No idea why, maybe a bug, maybe just I don't know, MA being MA. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you how fix it real quick. So you can see here, I try to select a feature and nothing happens. Here's how you fix it. Okay, first go to your selector menu or setting right here, then click on preference and timing, and then on the left side find a select layout elements. Here you will see a list of your elements. Look for the feature column like this. No, check the action field. See, it's blank. That's a problem right there. I don't know, it's random bug or something. Just yesterday it worked fine. Today it just gone. I don't know what. I don't know why. So to fix it, click that empty action field and then choose select feature. Close everything. We check it. It's worked perfectly. And then okay. Yes, everything is good. Okay. Okay. So yeah, if you ever suddenly can't select feature, now you know exactly what's wrong and how to fix it in like under a minute. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more image3 tips and tricks. See you on the next one. Stay sharp and keep lighting up the world. Bye.